I'm in Bologna, Italy. I was in Prague yesterday, now I'm here. So yesterday before my flight, I decided to tweet about how busy it's been with the airline. And I mentioned that I'm going here to Italy. And Peter Lindgren, the legend himself, replied to my tweet, which gave it more exposure to more people. And so one guy from Bologna, Italy, actually saw the tweet, tweeted me back, and asked me if I want to collaborate. Of course I do. So now I'm on my way to meet Enrico for the first time, a fellow YouTuber, to collaborate and make something cool. I don't see him yet. We'll just have to wait out. When Enrico shows up, my plan is to attach one of these guys on him. That way we can both vlog and talk at the same time. And the cool thing about the Rode Wireless Go is that you can easily hook up two people and just do your vlogs like nothing. Like it's wireless, so it's super easy to use. Enrico, everybody, hey!
Nice to meet you.
The guy I was gonna meet up.
Welcome to Bologna.
Oh, and hey, I got a present for you. There it is.
Wow, that's so advanced.
Now we can vlog and you guys can hear him properly.
Hello. How are you doing?
Oh, and actually, let me turn that on.
If we turn that on. Now it's on. Now, yeah. Welcome to Bologna again.
Awesome. Well, hey, so the plan is to just, well, collaborate, meet up. Gracious enough to show me around, so
I'll do my best.
Oh, well, thank you.
I'll do my best to show you what I know of Bologna. I got an A7 III.
Oh, nice. A7S III.
A7 III, normal
A7 III,
yeah.
Okay. Cool, man. So
I really thought about getting the A7S III also.
Yeah.
But I'm still with this one. It's still enough for what I do.
Yeah.
Such long portici, they call like these portals with the columns and everything.
Oh, wow.
So it's pretty good for shots.
Dude, yeah. This place looks epic. I have a strong belief that this is a decent shot. I don't know.
You can see it also, I think.
Yeah.
Probably.
This is the shot we're working with. Not too bad.
You can see the backstage that I filmed here, so how it's actually set up.
Exactly.
Very professional.
Got ourselves two little pocket lights here, lighting us up. Enrico, you reached out to me when I said I'm going to Italy, Bologna. You are doing YouTube as well.
Exactly. I started doing YouTube 1 year ago.
1 year?
Yeah.
Man, you've seen massive success in 1 year.
Yeah,
That's
it's
crazy.
really cool. I was really impressed with how well it went.
Yeah, you have clearly a vision and like a consistent brand.
I'm a telecommunications engineer. Yeah.
Telecommunications engineer that turned to photography, and you just went all in.
Just all in, yeah.
Yeah. You've built this sort of like self-sustaining business, being here in Italy, doing videography as well as photography, and then doing YouTube on the side as well.
Exactly. And just like abandon everything and try to find something that was like practical, that was possible to earn my living here.
Yeah.
Also, without actually having to use the engineering degree. Not only because I didn't want it too much, but also because it's complicated.
Yeah.
Like you have to validate your diploma,
Right.
and you.
But I'm imagining also the main reason is like there's some sort of passion behind doing photography, right?
No, I got a camera to travel around the world. I fell in love with it.
Oh, man.
And then I just like, okay, this is something that I love doing, and if I manage to work with it, I can just like be doing what I'm doing in my free time, but actually as a job. So.
Yeah. What I admire most about your story is how you just went all in.
Yeah,
You
it's
had to
not
make it
easy,
work.
yeah.
What was some of the main challenges you faced?
Mainly like in the beginning, especially because I was not only changing careers, but changing countries also. So I didn't know the job itself really well.
Yeah.
And I didn't know anyone that was doing it.
Right, so you had to make friends.
So I had, begin like networking, making contacts and everything, and learning the craft while doing it. In the beginning it's so hard, but then as it goes, it begins to get a little bit easier.
For anybody starting out watching this, a takeaway that I can sort of imagine from your story is that you network with other people that have the skills that you want.
Exactly.
Like, how did you convince them to take you in, to like trust you and bring you onto projects?
For sure, like in the beginning, doing things either for free or things that were like extremely simple just to be around them. So just like helping out in a shoot,
Nice.
helping carry gear, but like this is a beginning of like networking and helping so that you can learn more things and see them in action and everything.
Nice.
So you actually met one of my friends
Exactly.
here today.
You can show a clip of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's exactly like he showed me how is it like to set up like a big production.
That's so cool. Like when you reach out to someone and you're completely transparent about where you are and your intention to just help out and learn. I think people resonate with that and they want to help you when they hear that.
Yeah, I think so also. Like I get people now reaching out to me also.
Oh.
And then I feel like it's like I'm no one, like why?
Yeah, exactly.
But actually, if you think about it, like you already progressed a little bit, but you're already past that first stage, so you can already help someone that is in the beginning.
I can resonate with this myself, and I feel that sometimes I need to sort of check myself, like how far have I gotten? Remind myself that I'm not who I was 3 years ago.
We forget it so easily.
Yeah, right.
And then we're in the constant motion of feeling like crap all the time. Like I feel like
being so
like,
hard on yourself.
I'm not good enough. Having this.
But I think for anybody listening to this, a good takeaway is to not beat yourself up too much.
No.
Just know that you're making progress, and just the fact that you're focused on a specific problem means that you're moving forward on it.
Definitely.
And sometimes that's all you need. Good stuff.
And putting yourself to situations in which you have to learn things anyways, like it's so good. Like small things, like even like setting up this here, like somehow you had to learn how to do it. Like you had to learn how to use lights, you had to learn how to use the camera to film yourself and like to talk to camera and like...
Exactly. Like I think everybody who's tried YouTube can relate to this, where it's like the first time you talk to the camera, how hard it is.
It's so hard.
And
it's
talking
to the camera in public.
Like we're doing now.
I couldn't do it at all. At all. I would be like looking around if there's no one looking at me and everything.
I still get that, but like when I'm with you, I'm like...
Yeah, me too.
I did a shot earlier today when I'm like waiting for you, and I'm like, all right, I'm waiting for him. I got this little wireless Go I'm gonna give to him so we can chat. And like, I felt so
uncomfortable.
But that was a good way to warm up for the rest of the day where we're just chatting.
Good.
I found your page on Instagram and I was super impressed. And this is clearly where your work really shines. But you do videography as well.
Yeah.
And I think for everybody who's watching, you should definitely find his YouTube channel. I'll have the link on the screen as well as down below. Check him out and give him a subscribe, because Enrico is working super hard and he's made such huge progress. I gotta level up, man. If I don't level up, you're gonna catch up.
Level.
Yeah, no, I'm not a higher level. I just got lucky with volcano videos. It's such a great pleasure to hang out with you. So thank you so much for reaching out and offering to hang out with me.
Whenever someone wants to come to Bologna, you know where to find a guide. Kind of like, I don't know if you like the tour until now.
Oh, it's been awesome. I love it. Okay. Just walking around with cameras and stuff. It's been the blast. Oh no, don't film me filming the food.
I'm not filming.
I'll film you filming me.
You can be food blogger.
Totally. So good. Alright, I'm back in Dubai now. So I had a very successful trip to Bologna. I hope you enjoyed that little chat there with Enrico. I hope you found his story inspiring and maybe you will take some action after hearing it. So far, my main takeaways from his story is that it's very important to be authentic about where you are at the moment. And you just have to communicate that you want to help people and you want to collaborate in order to learn. By being authentic and transparent, people will take you in. And then second of all is just going all in. I can say for sure in my case that not going all in makes the success come in small chunks, because I might not be putting as much effort into the videography part and I might be splitting my attention to YouTube and stuff like that. Whereas I think if you do what Enrico did and just go fully all in, do it or die kind of mode, you can make success with videography super fast. Nowadays on the internet, people watch video way more than they did before. People don't read as much. People watch videos. It's like 70% of all traffic is video. So I believe that investing into videography as a skill is super important no matter where you are in your journey. Whether it's creating a personal brand or you're gonna help out other businesses with videography, it's a powerful skill to have. Even knowing how to light your shot can be so good when you're doing, for example, Zoom meetings online. Having that professional appearance. Picking up the skills of videography is one part, but learning how to sell yourself and position yourself, that's another part entirely. Personally, I learned most of what I know about selling video from an ebook that I can link you down below. I've read this ebook multiple times and I can't express how much It has changed my mindset, not just for selling, but also how I think about money. Once you realize how much money is flowing within this domain, then you can price your videos for much higher. You don't have to be shy for asking about a certain price, but you have to position yourself properly to ask for a high price when you're selling your video services. I plan to go deeper into this topic in future videos, but for now, I highly recommend the ebook down below. That's how I got started. The link down below is an affiliate link, but only because I love the book so much. It's given me so much value that I personally reached out to Marcus Rideout and asked him if he could give me an affiliate link for his book. And he hadn't made one yet, so he made one specifically for us. So I am super proud to present it to you. I would never recommend anything that I didn't stand by 100%. So it's a small price to pay to learn how to sell video services. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Next, I'm gonna fly to Munich in Germany. So let's see if I can find some local creators there and meet up and talk to them about their journey as well. This coincidental chance meeting with Enrico was so amazing that I want to try to keep this going. I want to try, because I work as a cabin crew flying around the world, I want to try to meet local people wherever I go within this domain, this niche. So if you're in Munich, reach out. If you're not in Munich, but you're a creator, then I do recommend you follow me on Twitter, because I'm going to post in advance where I'm going on Twitter. So you can always be up to date where I will be in the world, and who knows, maybe we'll meet up and collaborate. That's it for this video. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.